Good morning, students. Under the same series of Log On to Animate CC, the topic which we're going to cover is about applying filters to the text and animating filtered text. So let's proceed with the first topic, that is applying filter to the text. Filter allows us to add interesting visual effects to the text, buttons, and movie clips. Filters usually involve effects such as drop shadow, blur, glow, bevels, etc. And these effects can be easily applied by using property panel. So how we can able to do that? Let's proceed. So I have to open a new document for that and have to select the text tool to type on the stage area. So I have selected the text tool, set its property, and I have typed here SRBPS. After that, I have to select this text with the help of selection tool in the tool tab. And then I have to click on modify and then break apart. So now you can see each each letter is divided into blocks over here. Then I have to convert each into symbols. So for that I have to select one text, then click on modify, and from there convert to symbol. Now by default its name is symbol 1. There I have to select type movie clip and have to click on OK. Then again I have to select the second text, have to click on a symbol, that is symbol 2, and from there I have to select the movie clip and have to click on OK. In the same way I have to repeat the same process for all the letters over here. Now finally, after clicking on all the symbols, like converting all the symbols text into symbols, then I have to apply filters on this. So for that I have to select each text one by one. I have to change its property. So have to go in property panel, and from the color effect, from the filters tab I have to click on add filters, and from there I have to select drop shadow. So in this way I have to do this for all the letters one by one. Have to go on the filters section and have to click on add filters, and one by one I have to make the changes on each text. Drop shadow, and now you can see our text has been changed. We have applied filters to our text. Now let's start up with Animate filtered text. That Animate provide a unique feature to animate movie clips that have filters using the classic tweens. We can create an animation that contain light source effects, highlights, bevels, and distortion by changing the filters property at different keyframes and applying classic tweens. Now in this video we're going to learn that how we able to create a disappearing text effect on the text with drop shadow effect. So let's proceed. So first we have to select the text with the help of selection tool, and now you can see it is distributed in blocks. So we have to right click on it and have to select distribute to layer. So now you can see in the layer panel that all our symbols has been distributed starting from symbol 1 to symbol 5. After that we have to insert the keyframes over here. So I have to click on the frame number 10, insert timeline, and have to click on keyframe. So now in the same way we have to insert the keyframes on all the symbols one by one after a certain interval. So here I have selected like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So just to click on the particular frame, like here I will click on frame number 40, click on insert, timeline and keyframe. Now our keyframes has been inserted over here. Again insert, timeline and keyframe. Now you can see all the keyframes are over here. Now we have to create tweens over here. So we have to right click and select create classic tween. One by one on all the keyframes we have to create a classic tween. So right click, a pop-up menu will be displayed, and from there we have to select create classic tween. Now one arrow is being added to all, that shows that now tween is, we have applied tweens on all. After that we have to select frame and have to change its property. So have to go in the property panel and have to select the symbol. Then after selecting symbol you can see the color effect. From there we have to select alpha, and this we have to apply for all the text one by one. Just select the frame, select the letter, and from property panel select the color effect as alpha one by one. Now for frame number 30, select the text, go to the properties, color effects, alpha, and follow the same procedure for rest of the letters too. Finally S is left, so just select the frame number 50, color effects, change it to alpha. Fine, we have created for all. Now finally just play the movie. Control plus play. Just click on control and play. You can find a disappearing text effect on the text.